Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat has an 8-foot 6-inch beam, a person capacity of 15, a fuel capacity of 75 gallons, and beginning here on the swim platform, you see the boat is equipped with the white 300 V8 Mercury. Over on the port side, you have a freshwater shower. You also have a very large storage compartment that goes all the way forward. This holds your air compressor for your water toys here. You also have a built-in cooler on the swim platform. Cup holders, very nice lounging area. As we step up into the cockpit, first you'll see the controls for the power tower. So this is electric tower that lowers all the way down for those height constraint applications, or goes all the way up. It also has the extended sunshade that goes out further back. In the cockpit, you have a nice L-shaped seating arrangement. So now that we're in the cockpit of the Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard, first thing you'll notice, you have controls for your power tower. This will lower the tower all the way down for applications where you have a height constraint. The top has an extended shade that goes all the way out to the back. As you step further into the cockpit, you've got a nice L-shaped seating, cockpit table mounts here, onboard battery charger, and you'll also notice on the SLX you have an upgraded interior. So you have additional stitching on the vinyl. The SeaDek material has a unique design as well. And when you move up to the helm seats, you'll see you have upgraded seating for both driver and passenger. As we step up to the helm area, you have twin SIMRAD displays, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. You also have your Mercury digital throttle, trim tab controls, and all your push button controls. Over on the port side, you have a nice vacuum flush head with sink. Very spacious, very good headroom, very usable. You also have a wind door here for when the windshield is closed. Little storage compartment under the helm with trash can. As we step all the way forward, you'll notice you have storage under both seats. This storage goes all the way back to that compartment under the console. Flip down armrest, again upgraded interior, stitching, very nicely appointed cup holders to each side. Then all the way forward, you have your windlass with controls at the helm, freshwater sprayer for the windlass as well. Very nice, clean look. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.